what you say now. Tell me what you say, come again. If you cannot stay down, then you do not have to pretend like there is no way out. I should've never let you in, cause you got me face down. And don't take this personal. You're the worst, you know what you've done to me. And although it hurts, I know I just can't keep running away. I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, but I want you. I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, but I love you. Tell me what you say now, tell me what you say. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal. But you ain't shit and you weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse than you. I just can't keep running away. But I don't need you, 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 but I want you, but I want you. I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, but I just lost hope. Love you. Everybody's like he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one night him. I never listen, no. I should've figured though. All that shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it. Cause I usually do, stick to the business. But you came out the blue, then you just flipped it. Goddamn baby, my mind's blown. Be forgetting you live in a different time zone. Think I know what this is, just the time's wrong. Yeah, I know what you did, but baby, I'm grown. And my love is patient and kind and shit. This is where we could build through different types of shit. You was really the realest, wouldn't be fighting it. I think your pride is just in the way. Funny how everything changed once you got all that you wanted. Nothing was ever the same. And though I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I still want you.
Little bitch, you can fuck with me if you wanted to. These expensive, these is red bottoms, these is bloody shoes. Hit the school, I can get them both, I don't wanna choose. And I'm quick, cut a nigga off, so don't get comfortable. Look, I don't dance now, I make money move. Say I don't gotta dance, I make money move. If I see you now speak, that means I don't fuck with you. I'm a boss, you a worker, bitch, I make bloody move. Now she say she gon' do what or who? Let's find out and see. Cardi B, you know where I'm at, you know where I be. You in the club, just to party, I'm there, I get paid to be. I be in and out them things so much, I know they tired of me. Honestly, don't give a fuck about who ain't bond of me. Drop 2 mixtapes in 6 months, no bitch working as hard as me. I don't bother with these hoes, don't let these hoes bother me. They see pictures, they say clothes, bitch I'm who they tryna be. Look, I might just chill in some babe, I might just chill with your boo, I might just spill on your babe. score, I can get them both. I don't wanna choose, and I'm quick, cut a nigga off, so don't get comfortable. Look, I don't dance now, I make money move. Say I don't gotta dance, I make money move. If I see you now speak, that means I don't rub with you. I'm a boss, you a worker, bitch, I make bloody move. If you a pussy, you get popped. You a goofy, you a op. Bet you come around my way, you can't hang around my block. And I just check my account, turns out I'm rich, I'm rich, I'm rich. I put my hand up on my hip, I bet you dip, he dip, she dip. I say, I get the money and go. This shit is hot like a stove, my pussy glitter is gold. Tell that little bitch play her role, I just don't over no rolls. I just came up in a rave, I need to fill up the tank. No, I need to fill up the safe. I need to let all these hoes know they none of them niggas is fake. I go to dinner and steak, only the real can relate. I used to live in the peace, now it's the crib with the day. Only got charms, the life of the place. Hard to let these bitches go, just in case these hoes forgot. I just wanna check them more, another check on more than stop. Say, little bitch, you can fuck with me if you wanted to. These expensive, these is red bottoms, these is dirty shoes. Hit the school, I can get them both. I don't wanna choose, and I'm quick, cut a nigga off, so don't get comfortable. Look, I don't dance now, I make money move. Say I don't gotta dance, I make money move. If I see you now speak, that means I don't rub with you. I'm a boss, you a worker, bitch, I make bloody moves.
Call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. And I know when that hotline blink, that can only mean one thing. I know when that hotline blink, that can only mean one thing. Ever since I left the city, you got a reputation for yourself now. Everybody knows and I feel left out. Girl, you got me down, you got me stressed out. Cause ever since I left the city, you started wearing less and going out more. Glasses of champagne out on the dance floor. Hanging with some girls I never seen before. Used to call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need cell phone. Late night when you need my love. And I know when that cell phone. Late night when you need cell phone. Late night when you need. Call me on this. You and me, we just don't get along. You make me feel like I did you wrong. Going places where you don't belong. Ever since I left the city, you got exactly what you asked for. Running out of pages in your passport. Hanging with some girls I've never seen before. You used to call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need cell phone. Late night when you need my love. And I know when that cell phone. Late night when you need cell phone, cell phone. Late night when you need. Call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need cell phone. Call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need cell phone. Call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need cell phone. Call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need cell phone. Call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need cell phone. Call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need cell phone. Call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need cell phone. Call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need cell phone. Call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need cell phone. Call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need cell phone. Call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need cell phone. Call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need cell phone. Call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need cell phone. Call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need cell phone. Call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need cell phone. Call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need cell phone.
to me. I'm just hoping I don't repeat history. Boy, I'm trying to meet your mama on a Sunday. The nigga love on Monday. Never need no one else, babe. 'Cause I'll be switching the positions for you. Getting in the kitchen and I'm in a better room. All I need is if they say I'm perfect rules. All my love is in that nothing I wouldn't do. What I won't do. Switching for you.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Dom the Tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I am doing a review for UNice hair. Today you guys, I am reviewing a 5x5 closure unit from them. I do have this unit in 26 inches and I would say this is probably about 150 to 180% density. Always be sure to check the description box for the exact details to this hair. I decided to add some crimps to my hair today, just something very simple and cute because I do have like this really long like straight hair, but I was like, I don't want to wear it straight. I did a unit recently very similar to this and I wore it straight, so I was like, you know what, let me go ahead and do some crimps in a closure unit. So that is what I decided to do today. Now I did undo my crimps with my fingers. If you don't want to, you definitely don't have to, you can leave them as is, but I just don't like when they're like super spaced out and they just look like really crunchy or whatever. Hey guys, so I'm gonna stand up just so you guys can see where the hair is hitting on me. And like I said, this is a 26-inch unit. Please also keep in mind that some of the length is going to be taken out because I did crimp it, so it's going to make it just a little bit shorter than what it is, but here we are. So this is where the hair is hitting me in the front. So if you guys can see, this is like my belly button here. I don't want to pull it too much, but you guys pretty much see like where the hair is hitting me in the front. And this is all of the hair up front, by the way. I don't have any of the hair in the back. I did want to pull all the hair up front for you guys, and it is still very full. If you ask me, I think the hair is actually still pretty full, and I will put all of the hair to the back so you guys can see what that looks like as well. Is the side view, okay, and the back view. It's like the best way that I can show you guys, but this is what it looks like from the back. But yeah, it's very, very beautiful. Okay, I added these beautiful crimps to it. So it's a great way to give yourself like that deep wave type of look without buying deep wave hair. And then as far as the crimping iron that I use, because I know I'm gonna get a lot of questions about this, I will link this down below if you guys are interested in purchasing it. So make sure you check out the description box down below for a direct link to this crimping iron. But this is the crimping iron that I use. This side has fallen because I did crimp this side first, and then this is the side that I most recently did. So this side is a lot more defined than this side. So just keep that in mind too, like when you're doing your hair. Sometimes I like to even go like from the bottom and work from the bottom and then work my way up to the top on both sides, just so that way it's even and you have a nice even finish. But that's not always going to be the case. Most people do one side of their hair and then they do the other. By the time you finish the top part on this side, some of the crimps are going to have fallen on this side. So it's just really good to use a really good hairspray. The hairspray that I actually used today is an adhesive spray. This is the Ebin Wonder Lace Bond adhesive spray, and I do have it in the black can. This is the one that is the extreme firm hold. So I said, okay, I'm gonna try to use this for my crimps today to see if it helps my hair actually hold, and it does actually help a lot. You can use this to apply your units, but I stopped using hairspray to apply my units quite a while ago. I do really enjoy this hair. I think this hair would actually have been very beautiful if I did leave it straight. The quality was absolutely amazing, and if I'm not mistaken, the knots in this unit were bleached just a little bit. It's like they pre-bleached them just a little bit. And for my lace today, you guys, I did use the Ebin Tinted Lace Spray. This is the one that I use, and I do use it in the medium dark brown color, but I do need to get a large bottle. I keep saying I'm gonna buy a bigger bottle, and every time I go to the beauty supply store, I forget to get it. I end up getting other things, but I'm gonna write it down so I don't forget next time, because I'm literally running out. But this is what I use to get my install to match me perfectly. A lot of you guys always say like your lace matches you perfectly, and as of recently, this is what I have been using. Definitely a current favorite of mine, and I think you guys should definitely look into that. You can pick it up at your local beauty supply store, or you can also order it online. I will leave a link to that below as well. So yeah, you guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, let me know by liking this video. Drop a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts on this hair. And another thing that I did want to discuss before I left was all of the amazing free goodies that I got from UNice. Like, first of all, I didn't use the strap that they gave me, but I'm definitely going to be using that in other installs. But I just didn't use it today just because I didn't really need to use any type of elastic band to help like adhere my unit. But I love the concept of it. I love the fact that it has like the Velcro straps at the very end. That was amazing. And I like the fact that I got my own custom UNice robe, which I should have used in the video, but honestly I forgot that I had the doggone thing. You know how you're just kind of like on the roll? I was just on the roll and I was just in my normal routine. By the time that I remembered, I was already halfway through the video, so I was like, well, I'll just wear it next time. If I reinstall this unit or something, then maybe I can wear it then. But yeah, I really do like that they now have robes. I don't know if everyone gets a robe in their order now, or if they sent me one because I was doing a review for them, but I really do like the cute pink robe. I like the fact that they're paying attention to detail, because anybody that watches my videos, you guys already know, like, the robe thing is definitely my thing. Like, I always wear a cute silk robe when I'm doing my hair, and then I take it off and I put on a cute outfit like I have now. So I was really happy to see that they put that pink robe in there, because first of all, pink is my favorite color. Everybody knows that, and I love silk robes. So the fact that they gave me a cute pink silk robe was everything. So if you want to get your hands on that pink silk robe, I guess you gotta make sure you order your unit. Check out that description box down below for a direct link to this unit along with all the details to this hair. If there is something that I didn't cover in today's video and you still have a question, drop a comment down below and I'll get to you guys as soon as possible. I want to give a big thank you to our sponsor, UNice Hair, for sponsoring today's video and sending over this beautiful unit. And of course, I have to thank all of you guys for stopping by to show me so much love and support. I really do appreciate it, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.